Tesla, in a new filing, says that they've updated their investment policy to provide them with more flexibility to be able to buy Bitcoin.
Why Tesla is on the verge of collapsing. Tesla stock will plummet when interest rates rise in the aftermath of the coronavirus outbreak. According to Lansdowne Partners investment manager Pierre Lecander said on CNBC's Squawk Box Europe, Tesla is in a bubble and that he is shorting Elon Musk's company, which means he will profit if Tesla's stock price falls. Here are why Tesla is on the verge of collapsing. By the way, make sure you click that subscribe button to stay up to date with all your engaging videos, and use that trigger finger by smashing the like button. Now let's get into it. Tesla Inc., NASDAQ, TSLA, shares will plummet as interest rates rise in the wake of COVID-19 outbreak, according to Lansdowne Partners fund manager Pierre Lecander, who spoke to CNBC on Tuesday. In the 12 months leading up to January, Tesla's market value rose to almost $800 billion, before plummeting to less than $600 billion in February. It's now worth roughly $679 billion. In my opinion, incumbents will make a comeback this year, Lecander said, citing German car maker Volkswagen, which is valued at 119 billion euros, 141 billion, as one firm he is particularly optimistic about. There are a few gold nuggets that I believe will pay off in the long run, but in the medium term, if I'm correct on the macro call that interest rates will rise and the market will realize that incumbents aren't so bad off as they think, then yes, I believe Tesla will fall. Others who follow the market will almost certainly disagree with the prognosis. For example, Wedbush Analysts expects Tesla stock will recover despite a choppy start to the year. Tesla's success scaling up its EV, electrical vehicle, programs and demand in China for the month of March will drive shares upward after a difficult January and a solid month of February. I've said in a Monday note, Tesla did not reach to a request for comment from CNBC right away. Lecander compared the current situation to the dot-com bubble of 1999. If you listen to the visionaries who talk about the internet in 1999 now, they are actually understanding what happened, he remarked. The transformation was much more dramatic than what occurred. Cisco, probably the poster child for the period that has much higher market value today than it did in 2000, he noted. He said it didn't stop it from dropping down 80% first. Nokia was probably the European equivalent, according to Lecander, who noted it similarly dropped by 80%. I believe that is what we'll see here in the tech spec hype space, he said. A look at Tesla's stock. Tesla's stock price soared by more than 650% in 2020, thanks to a number of significant occurrences. Following a pandemic-related shutdown and a legal dispute with the state, Tesla resumed production at its California factory in May. Tesla reported a profit for the fourth quarter in a row in July, and delivered ahead of schedule. Tesla stock received a lift at the end of the summer when the company announced its first ever stock split. Tesla stock hit a new high in December when the electric car maker announced it would join the SP 500 index. However, the company failed profit expectations for the fourth quarter in January, causing the stock to drop by roughly 5%. Technoking by Tesla. Tesla announced last month it has purchased $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. Wedbush Research estimates that the company has already profited $1.2 billion on its investment in a new regulatory filing on Monday. Tesla handed the CEO Musk the title for Technoking of Tesla. According to Tesla, Musk will continue to serve as the company's CEO. The company's chief financial officer, Zach Kickhorn, has also been awarded a title, Master of Coin. We believe that indicates that Musk sees Tesla as a technology disruptor in the future, especially with robotaxi, FSD, fully autonomous driving, and major battery technology breakthroughs on the horizon at Tesla, I've said. Volkswagen announced plans earlier this week to develop a half-dozen battery cell facilities in Europe and increase electric vehicles charging infrastructure in order to catch up with Tesla in a race to the mass adoption of electric vehicles. Volkswagen will emerge as a major EV competitor to Tesla by 2025. According to the UBS analyst, beating out newer EV-only competitors like NIO Inc., New York Stock Exchange NIO, and XPEG Inc., New York Stock Exchange XPEV. In early pre-market trade on Wednesday, Tesla shares were down 0.5% at $637.25. So what can you say about why Tesla is on the verge of collapsing? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so we continue giving you the best contents. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.